Hello everybody, Legendary Fire Review playing Vehicle Simulator, and I'll spawn, then we will get to racing and stuff. Okay guys, we're back. Yeah, I just died and stuff. But anyway, we'll respawn, another car. This game was a game of my childhood. Because it was very cool and stuff. It had a lot of updates. Definitely. Okay, let's go race. Let's go race. Oh, so cool. Whee! Oh yeah, and this car I bought it from the far away store, not the one near the spawn. And I just bought some very good nitros. Wow, the drift, man. Okay, let's do a race. Me do racing. Race quarter mile. Race quarter mile. Ooh, starting. Please don't say it's so fast. Whoa. Oh, okay, this is a... Ah, come on now. Not fair. Not fair at all. The highway race is very cool because it gives you more money, and this is where I got a lot of money from. Let's go to the highway race. Let's see maps. See how fast this thing roars? Oh, I think we got into... Ooh, this is a race I didn't do before. Okay. A standard crate drop? Okay. Whatever. Highway! It's the highway race. Dude, no way. 3, 2, oh. Only 2? Why not 3? Okay. Oh, I can do this. It's not speed. Speed is not everything, man. You need balance. Balance, mate. But in this case, you want it speedy, you'll take it speedy. See, I catched up with him because of the turn. Now I need to slow down a little, because the drift. Wow, this car, surprisingly, I did this very smoothly. Without any crashes. Okay, I mean, almost no crashes. Let's do this. Pro. This guy's whatever the freak, oh man. Yeah, we race. No way he's gonna beat me this time. Okay. Advantage. Wait, is this? Oh shoot. Oh no, this is gonna be a disadvantage. Oh good. Thanks. God. Wait, isn't this the quarter mile race? Okay. Wait, we're in first? Wait. Oh, he's coming up. Oh, Come on, can we keep up? Dang. Well, let's do another race somewhere else. Let's see. Where are we right now? Okay. Soccer, hospital, supercars, dealership. Okay, so this is where we have the quarter mile, the highway. This is the highway race? Oh, this is what? Ooh, a drag. Okay, then I guess we'll go to the drag race then. So the highway and okay, it's here then, right? Yeah, it's here. Wait, what the hell? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna do the drag race. Woo! Ouch. Drag race! I'm on it. Okay, I'm not bad enough.
3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Oh my god, what's the problem? Woo! Not even a chance! I was very fast. Okay, can I get the radios up? Oh, highway. Okay. Let's do it. Gels.
3, 2,
Ah, come on.
go, go, go!
Ooh, this music is cool. No. Ooh. Oh, I know what's coming up. Wanna explain yourselves, mate? Go, 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 go. Go! Not even a chance. Woo! Oh, come on. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's see another race. No, I don't want a highway race. Let's see another race. Okay, so we are here on the highway race. And we have airplane dealership, airport. Oh, that's the airport quarter mile. Okay, can we? C-dash. Okay, let's do a C-dash. Hey guys. Okay guys, we're here. Here's the dealership for the boats. Now I'm gonna swim there. Let's see what they have. Oh, I forgot. There's only 3 boats still. Right. Yo, jet ski, speedboat, a yacht. Woof. This thing's very big. Oh shit. Main. Let's purchase. Okay, let's go. I hope there's somebody. I hope somebody's gonna make a race with boats. Cause I have a boat. Where's the boat race thing? Cause it has updated a lot. So yeah. Anyway, we will return when we get the boat race. Okay, bye. I'm surprised nobody just gone into the boat race. I guess it's the airplane race then. Let's go! Okay, turns out that helicopters are more expensive than I thought. Oh my god. Okay guys, we're back. We are gonna head on to the race because I just saw an Ocean Dash race. I don't know where is it. Like, literally. See the map? Where could it possibly be, I guess? It's the quarter mile race, blah. You have the supercars dealership, hospital. Preview of apartments, gas station, trick shop, music world? So, it's in the north of the dealership. I guess it's there. Yeah, it's there. So I bet they're gonna do it. They're gonna join the race. Come on now. Why not join the race? Come on. Okay, we got him. Okay, let's do the driver's seat. Let's have the driver's seat, then let's go. Okay, let's have a race. C-dash. Please, C-dash. C-dash. How do you become a criminal in the game? Oh, just get the C4 and get to the bank? Yeah. Okay, let's make another race, see what is. Okay, there's a lot of people on the server, to be honest. Come on, I'm waiting. And those guys don't even. Okay, whatever. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification buttons so I never miss another video. And see you next time. Bye.